Across now to Jonathan Lee, breakfast reporter in southeast Queensland, the town of Gympie, where they were bracing for more floods and the threat of a possible cyclone. Jonathan, is it nice to see that there wasn't so much rain overnight?
Yeah, good morning, guys. There is some good news coming from Gympie at the moment. We were expecting heavy rain overnight and also some fierce winds, but I look above me now, we can actually see the stars. The wind hasn't eventuated. The water, though, is rising. So some good news here in southeast Queensland.
Obviously, yesterday, the sad news that they did become fatal in that area. How are the locals dealing with the situation?
Yeah, I suppose everyone's on edge at the moment. A number of people have been evacuated here in Gympie. 6 evacuation centres have been set up in and around surrounding towns. But we've been told overnight that people haven't taken advantage of those yet. They don't fear things are as disastrous as they are down in Wagga, thankfully. But people are preparing. Locals say that if it's to reach the flood peak of around 15.5 metres, which is what it reached only a couple of weeks ago when Gympie was flooded in February, that will come later today. But we haven't had that rain overnight, so we're not probably expecting the water to reach the 15.5 metres. Police told me only about 10 minutes ago that at last count it was 13.75 metres, so it's rising and it's rising slowly. I can tell you that the creek we're standing in runs into the Mary River, which is that 15.5 metres that we're talking about. It's very tidal. We're expecting on Thursday to have a sort of a king tide, if we can say that. So we're a couple of days away from that. We're expecting a high tide in around an hour or so here. So we're seeing the water surge. If I can give you a bit of an idea of just what's happened, we've probably come 2 metres into the water here, but in around the last hour or so, we can say that the water's moved at least a metre up the road. So it's certainly surging. We're just going to wait and see what happens in the coming hours, guys.
All right, Jonathan, there was some talk the police had found a young child, a boy 2-3 years old, and were looking for its parents. What's happened there?
Yeah, nearby at Taunton, near Noosa, a boy believed to be 2 to 3 years of age was found wandering the streets in a nappy and a green shirt. Obviously, the parents don't seem to be aware that he's got out. I suppose you can only say if you wake up and find your child missing this morning, please contact the local police because they're desperately trying to find who the parents are.
Okay, thanks very much, John.